Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Look at this beautiful day back here. So anyway, guys, I'm working solo today. I am out here in Madison, Georgia. Madison, Georgia. It's kind of in between, I'm going to say like, not far from Athens, okay? So this is the residence of Mrs. Martha and her husband. Miss Martha actually reached out to me last week. She sent me pictures. I never came out and did a consultation. And she said, Courtney, after going to your website and also after watching your videos, I realized I made a oopsie. And she put a small coat of Rejuvenate on her luxury vinyl plank floors and tried to get it off, couldn't remove it. So she reached out for help. She sent me pictures, about 1,400 square feet. I gave her a price. And she said, let's go ahead and move forward. I also went and did a consultation this morning in Beaufort. They're going to get on the schedule. They're going to need a screen and recoat engineered floors with some color correction. And also they're going to do the UV curing. And then tomorrow I have a wax removal, a severe wax removal with screen and recoat and UV cure. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today, or what I got going today. So again, I am working solo, and it is a beautiful, beautiful day out here in Georgia. Nice cool breeze. So check out this beautiful home, guys, that I'm going to be working in today. So I just got through making up my emulsifier. What I'm using today is the Pro Care polish and wax removal, and I'm going to rinse it with the Hydro Force Fresh LVC. Shout out to Hydro Master. They sent me a case of this, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And let's go ahead and go in and show you guys what I got going. So, all right, so we got these luxury vinyl plank floors. And you might can't see it from the camera. So we got this utility room, washroom coming in where you guys saw me come in from. This area right here. Now we're going to go into this beautiful kitchen living room set. And if you look really close, let me zoom in. You can kind of see it from an angle. You see those patterns right there. So she said, Courtney, I got to get this stuff off my floors. I did a wax removal yesterday in Dallas, Georgia. Same thing. Found me on YouTube, left me a great review, and I actually, like I said, got one tomorrow. So we're going to be doing all of this. Now, when the clients put things on sliders, I will slide it back and forth as I'm going. I do not move furniture, but I will slide furniture if it's easy to slide. She said, Courtney, do not move the TV stand, not sliding the desk. So got my Pro Care ready to go. I already got my machine going. So what I'm going to do, guys, is get everything treated, start emulsifying the polish off the floors, and just work myself back out and make sure that my client is happy. Again, let me zoom in, and you can kind of see all that right there. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. I've got most of the Rejuvenate off the floors. I just got to do that section. So what I did, I just called my client in. I want her to take a look. Here's her husband as well. Hey guys,
hey,
I'm Courtney. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tony.
Nice to meet you, Tony. So go and take a look, see what I've done so far. Removed all that Rejuvenate that she put on the floors.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
See how it went back to its natural state.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much. He didn't notice it, but I did.
Oh, I noticed it.
See it in the light.
Yeah, you can really see it in the light.
It smells good too.
It smells good too. Yep.
Oh yeah, all right.
Yes, ma'am. High five.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
That's awesome.
So what I just got to do, and I'm gonna show you the difference. So you see that part, and I look at the part I haven't done. You can still see the streaks. See, like right here.
Oh, heck yeah.
You can still see that sheen that you put on it.
Yeah.
And you don't notice it over there. So what I'm gonna do is finish this, and I'm gonna give it one more rinse, and it will be good to go.
Sweet. It looks really nice. Todd, look at it that way.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I screwed it up so bad I'll never do it again. You're a dumbass. I'm like, how many of us dumbass women do this shit?
People do it every day.
A lot.
I go out of state sometimes
lot.
just to do this issue. All right, guys, that's gonna do it Floors came out amazing. I hear my client talking about how good it looks. You're fine.
Smells amazing.
Smells amazing. All right, guys. So another job well done. I'm glad that I was able to take care of my client's needs, and I'm also going to show her what product to use on the floor. This is a beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. I actually have LVP in my house as well. I love the pattern in this floor. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Got a wax removal, screen, and recoat. All right, see you soon.